Join me as I dive into the 23 juicy texts that can completely destroy trust in a relationship. And if you've ever sent one of these, add your story in the comments below and let us know what happened. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and the way we communicate with our partner can either build or erode that trust. In today's digital age, texting has become a primary mode of communication, and the words we choose to type out can have a lasting impact on our partner's perception of us. One of the biggest mistakes we make when texting our partner is assuming they'll understand the tone and intent behind our messages. We've all been guilty of firing off a quick response without considering how it might be received, only to realize later that it came across as insensitive or dismissive. This kind of oversight can lead to misunderstandings and resentment, which can eventually chip away at the trust in our relationship. Our partner might read into a message that was meant to be lighthearted or casual, and before we know it, a harmless comment escalates into a full-blown argument. The key to avoiding these pitfalls is to be more mindful of our communication style. We need to be more thoughtful in our approach, taking the time to consider our partner's perspective and how they might interpret our words. It's not about being overly cautious or walking on eggshells, but rather about being respectful and empathetic in our digital interactions. The line between playful banter and condescending commentary is thin, and it's easy to cross it without realizing it. A well-timed joke or witty remark can quickly turn into a hurtful jab if not delivered carefully. Okay, now to the 23 juicy texts that I promised earlier. Number 1. Alex said, "I didn't think you'd find out." Context. Alex lied to his girlfriend Sarah about where he was the previous night, thinking she wouldn't discover the truth. Result. Sarah found out from a mutual friend, leading to a heated argument. She felt betrayed, and their relationship took a major hit. Number 2. Emma said, "It wasn't a big deal, so I didn't tell you." Context. Emma didn't inform her boyfriend Jake that she had been spending time with her ex, assuming it wasn't important. Result. Jake found out from someone else, feeling hurt and questioning her intentions, causing major trust issues in their relationship. Number 3. Mark said, "I'm sorry, but I lied." Context. Mark admitted to lying to his girlfriend Jess about texting another girl, thinking it wouldn't cause harm. Result. Jess felt deceived and began doubting everything Mark said, leading to a breakdown in communication and trust. Number 4. Sophie said, "I didn't mean to hide this from you." Context. Sophie hid her plans to meet her male colleague for coffee from her boyfriend Dan. Result. When Dan found out, he felt she had purposely been secretive, creating tension and mistrust between them. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel, Marisa and the World, for more great tips and ideas like this. Number 5. Ryan said, "It just happened. I didn't plan it." Context. Ryan kissed another girl at a party and confessed to his girlfriend Kate afterward, claiming it was unintentional. Result. Kate was devastated. Although he admitted it, the spontaneity of the betrayal made it hard for her to trust him again. Number 6. Lily said, "I only did it once, I swear." Context. Lily confessed to snooping through her boyfriend James's phone, but assured him it was only one time. Result. James was upset that she invaded his privacy and struggled to feel secure in their relationship afterward. Number 7. Tom said, "I was with Layla, but it meant nothing." Context. Tom admitted to his girlfriend Hannah that he'd been hanging out with his ex, but downplayed it. Result. Hannah felt betrayed and couldn't shake the feeling that Tom had lingering feelings for his ex, which caused their relationship to deteriorate. Number 8. Claire said, "I didn't tell you because I thought you'd get mad." Context. Claire didn't tell her boyfriend Matt that she was still in contact with her ex because she knew he'd be upset. Result. Matt found out later and felt like she was hiding things, leading to a serious argument about trust and openness. Number 9. Aaron said, "It's not like I cheated. Well, emotionally maybe." Context. Aaron developed an emotional connection with a coworker and downplayed it to his girlfriend Maya, saying it wasn't a real affair. Result. Maya felt emotionally betrayed, leading to a deep rift in their relationship. She couldn't trust him not to cross that line again. Number 10. Emily said, "I promised to stop, but I did it again." Context. Emily promised her partner Josh that she would stop texting her ex, but broke that promise. Result. Josh felt disrespected and hurt, realizing that she continued crossing his boundaries. Their relationship started falling apart. Number 11. Ben said, "I've been messaging my ex, but it's just friendly." Context. Ben admitted to his girlfriend Olivia that he'd been texting his ex, but insisted it was only platonic. Result. Olivia felt uncomfortable and questioned his loyalty, leading to ongoing arguments and mistrust. Number 12. Rachel said, "I don't see why you need to know everything I do." Context. Rachel's boyfriend Lucas asked her why she wasn't being transparent about her whereabouts, and she responded dismissively. Result. Lucas felt shut out and disrespected. This actually made him question whether she was hiding other things as well. Number 13. Daniel said, "I'll tell you later, now's not the time." Context. Daniel avoided answering his girlfriend's question about who he was with the previous night. Result. His girlfriend Amanda felt that he was stalling or hiding something important, which made her suspicious and upset. Number 14. Mia said, "I was with friends, but not the ones you know." Context. Mia told her partner Tyler that she was out with friends, but later admitted they were people he didn't know. Result. Tyler felt deceived, thinking she intentionally left out the details, leading to distrust and growing distance between them. Number 15. Chris said, "I didn't think you'd mind if I didn't tell you." Context. Chris spent time with the female friend without telling his girlfriend Anna, thinking it wasn't a big deal. Result: Anna felt like he was intentionally hiding things from her, making her question his respect for their relationship. Number 16. Sarah said, "I was at work late, but not really working." Context: Sarah told her partner Liam she was staying late at work but was actually out with friends. Result: Liam discovered the truth, causing him to lose trust in her, feeling like she had been dishonest about her priorities. Number 17. Jason said, "I didn't think you'd check my phone." Context: Jason's girlfriend Emily found incriminating messages on his phone after checking it when he left it unattended. Result: Emily confronted him, and Jason's excuse only made her feel justified in her distrust, damaging their relationship further. Number 18. Katie said, "It's not cheating if we didn't do anything physical." Context: Katie had been flirting with a coworker, but insisted to her partner Max that it wasn't actual cheating. Result: Max felt deeply betrayed and emotionally hurt, leading him to reconsider their entire relationship. Number 19. Nathan said, "I didn't think you'd notice that I deleted those messages." Context: Nathan deleted some text conversations with an ex and assumed his girlfriend Zoe wouldn't find out. Result: when Zoe found out, she was devastated by the secretive behavior, causing a breakdown of trust between them. Number 20. Laura said, "I didn't mention it because it wasn't important." Context: Laura left out a detail about having lunch with an old friend, believing it wasn't worth mentioning to her partner Josh. Result: Josh found out later and questioned why she'd hid it from him, making him feel insecure about her intentions. Number 21. Sam said, "I wasn't where I said I'd be." Context: Sam told his girlfriend Lily he was at a friend's house, but was actually somewhere else. Result: when Lily found out, she felt deceived, and it sparked a major argument that shook the foundation of their trust. Number 22. Holly said, "I only kept it a secret to protect you." Context: Holly kept information about a conflict with an ex from her boyfriend Peter, claiming she didn't want to upset him. Result: Peter was angry that she hid something significant, believing she had made decisions without his input, damaging their relationship. And finally, number 23. Michael said, "I don't see the problem with the little white lie." Context: Michael casually admitted to telling a white lie to avoid conflict with his girlfriend Jenna. Result: Jenna was hurt that he saw lying as acceptable, leading her to question how often he had been dishonest in their relationship. Each of these stories reflect how dishonesty, secrecy, and lack of transparency can deeply impact the trust in a relationship, often leading to emotional damage or even its end. That's why it's so important to be mindful of the words we use with every conversation. At Marisa in the World, I dive into the real-life dynamics of relationships. For more insights and tips about relationships, make sure to like and subscribe and watch this next video.